Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking to you about a home spice called ginger. This is what ginger looks like. Ginger, fresh ginger. And how to use it to treat cold, cough, catarrh, and sore throats during cold seasons or at any time at all. As we all know, the weather is cold and everyone is coming down with flu, cold, cough, catarrh, and all of that. But not everyone knows that this simple spice called ginger can actually keep you and your family, even your loved ones, away from cold. I discovered about ginger when I fell sick about 2 months ago. I came down with this very terrible cold and I was coughing seriously for over 6 weeks. I had gone to the hospitals, taking medications, and the cough wouldn't just go until someone asked me to try chewing ginger. I thought it was a joke. Then I just whiffed off the idea. The person called me again and said, chew ginger. So I picked up a little ginger, cut a piece, and chewed it. To my surprise, it was hot. But then I felt relief. And for the next 2-3 hours, I wasn't coughing. I said, oh, it worked. So I cut another piece, chewed, and so I continued for 3 days. And that was how the cough disappeared. And I became well so fast. So now, for those of you who are having cold, cough, and catarrh, I'll just advise you try chewing ginger. Just a little piece of it. You cut and chew. It can be very hot, but it works magic, I tell you. I've just finished chewing my ginger, and the whole of my mouth, my throat, is feeling very hot. But I know, and I'm sure, that if you chew ginger in the morning, afternoon, and evening, consecutively, for 3 to 4 days, I bet the cold, cough, catarrh, even sore throat will disappear from you and your loved ones. This video helpful, educative? Please don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.